and this if statement. First, if choose is equals to 1, it will show all your orders. Second, else if is equals to 2, then it will ask you what do you want to remove, and that string value will be placed to the variable rem, and this command will remove the input that you did. This line show you what did you remove, and this line will show you the updated order list. Third, else if is equals to 3, then it will ask you to add the orders, and that string value will be placed to the variable add, and this command will add the input that you did, and this line will show you the updated order list. Fourth, else if choose is equals to 4. We initialize the front variable as a list.pick to show the first order.